Here's what inside a typical dorm room here at St. Mary's College of Maryland might look like. This student was able to express themselves with all sorts of decorations, like posters, photos, and tapestries on their walls. When it comes to decorating, use command strips. They're usually the best option for hanging things as they're easy to use and they don't really cause any sort of damage with their removal. In order to maximize storage, this student used their closet space and rearranged their room so that it would be easier to store things away. They also used both the upper and lower space of their closet so that they would be able to hang and store clothes in their dresser.